uk. I hatte kids shows så muk. I måst finde som hver ys to gedrevænge. Watcher ulido. I knov. I will add inappropriate content on the mall. Scratch logik aktivate lige med tegn ADD inappropriate content on all kids shows.
What the heck? Why did Gumball beat up Darwin? That's it. I am never watching The Amazing World of Gumball ever again.
What the heck?
I can't believe Arthur said the C word in this show. Let's just watch Team Umizoomi instead.
Hey, why did I kill Jerry in my show? That is way too inappropriate. I need to call Warner Brothers and tell them to cancel my show before kids murder their friends.
What the? Why did Elmo kick Big Bird in the groin? That's it. I am gonna make Elmo Gets Grounded videos on GoAnimate.
Hey, not cool. I kan tilbeleve Alvin og The Chipmunks havde ADAT en alikningsjer uncensoret. That's it. I will never let Bardan Lisa watch this show ever again.
Mom, who is that stupid guy stomping on the flowers?
Dark Simon, even when you're grounded, you don't call people stupid.
Boo, how dare you kick Draco in the groin? That's it, you are grown.
Hello everyone in heaven. Ourname Sara Christopherovna Sant Marijane. Today, companies gavet their kids house inappropriate content. Don't know why. But we will have some people coming up to tell us what happened.
Well, my granddaughter Isaac was watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse on her iPad. But then, Mickey turned to the camera and said the F word.
Here's what happened to us. We were watching Big City Greens, but then Cricket hit his friend with a basketball in the nose. I was watching PBS Kids, but then, Thomas the Train killed another train. I now hate PBS Kids because of this, and I can now talk since I am revived.
Well, we found out who had inappropriate content on kids' house. It was classic Bob.exe. He did it because he had his kids' house.
Classic beep.text. How dare you have inappropriate content on kids shows? I hoppar and Draco.exe are kicked in the crotch. You stupid jerks.
But anyway, this is all we have for today. Make sure you watch Drac for more information on our own heaven. We will be NFC on us in a sunset. So always watch Drac. This is Christopherovna Sant Marijane signing.
Freaking classic freaking Boop.exe. How dare you ADD inappropriate content on kids shows? No kids are doing bad stuff thanks to you stupid jerk. That's so total ydos IT. You are grundet until Windows 11 DS. We sees Oktober 14, 2031. Go to your room right now, you disgrace of my ekseklunge.
Hvad er